Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. So in this video I'll be showing us how to make the corn and cassava flour. Few months back I made a video on how to make the corn and cassava fufu. That's the swallow you can use to eat your soup. So some of you commented that you would like to know how I made the flour itself. So that's what I'll be sharing with us in this video. I know it's been long. I'm supposed to upload this video. I'm sorry about that. Better late than never. So let's get started. So this is the type of corn I normally use in making the flour. Is white corn. You can see the way it is. Look for a white neat one. So I asked the man to give me 2 plates of that. You can see the size. This is the size of the plate they normally use in measuring for us where I stay. So I bought 2 of that. 2 of the white corn. You can actually call it maize. You know we have the red and the white. So this is the white. You can see the way it is. And this is the plate that were used to measure it for me. You can see the size of the maize I bought. It's actually 2 plates. So the next is to go to where I buy the cassava. This is the cassava, dry cassava. Also look for the one that is white. So that's it. You can see the size. So I bought 2 of that. Each of that cost about 500. So depending on where you are buying from, where you live, and where you normally go to buy from. So that's it. You can see the size. So I bought 2 of it. That's 1,000. The corn, a plate costs 1,100. So that's just it. So after buying it, the next is just to take it straight to where they normally grind it. You can see the size of the cassava. I'm trying to show you how the size is. So that's just it. So the next is to take it to where I normally grind. That's in the market where they normally grind things. When I came, he was already grinding someone's own. So you can see the way it's being grounded. Normally, you can decide, you can ask them to remove the back, or you can just ask them to grind it for you like that. For mine, I like removing the back. That's it makes the flour to be as in to be more white, and when you make your fufu, it's going to come out more white. It's going to be like pure white, not really pure white, but it's going to be more, the color will be more finer than when the back is not removed. You can see the way he's filtering it. So that's it. They will grind it first to break it, then go ahead um and filter it using that sieve. So that's just that. Or you can still decide to, grind all of them like that. It's still okay. It's still okay depending on the one you want. But for me, I normally ask them to remove the back, just like the way you remove the back of your beans. So that's just it. But this is a dry version of it. So after removing the bag, so they go ahead and grind it into the powdery form, and so that's just it. So this me back home. I'm trying to show you how it looks like. Normally, after grinding it in the market, the flour is a little bit hot due to the heat used in grinding it. So I normally leave it on the tabletop for it to cool down before storing it. So you can see the way the flour is. You can see how white it is. So that's just basically, it's as simple as ABCD. So go ahead and store it in an airtight container, and you have your corn or maize and cassava flour ready. So that's just it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and share with your friends. Thank you.